all of my friends, family members, and colleagues, I usually tell them to keep a couple of items in the vehicle at all times, just in case of an emergency. And trust me, if you do that, you'll thank me later. And most of them have. For example, I say, keep a tire inflator, an impact wrench, sockets for your impact, regular sockets in case you need to do something or repair the vehicle on the side of the road, and a jumper pack. But particularly, the main one is usually have a dash cam. Well, the reason the dash cam to me is one of the most important ones is because some of the stuff that I've seen on YouTube, Instagram, and stuff like that, right? Like scammers and people just driving wild and crazy. Well, lo and behold, if I was to tell you what happened to me the other night, you would say I'm lying, or I'm making it up, or I'm just plain old crazy. Look, I was a police officer and a sheriff's deputy, and never in my time as a cop did I ever encounter anything like this. I've heard of it, and I've heard of the horror stories, but personally, I've never encountered anything such as. You know, even though when I was a police officer, I was known as the shit magnet because I just happened to run into shit all the time. Well, I guess it's just my luck. Here's the video. So here I am, driving north on 301 in Brooksville, headed home from work. I'm doing roughly about 60 miles an hour. And I'm listening to some music. I have the cruise control on in auto drive. So now, what you're seeing is people flashing, warning me of incoming vehicle in the northbound lanes headed south. Now I'm flashing my headlights, trying to get this vehicle to stop, and I'm slowing down. I switch lanes to avoid him, and he switched lanes with me. So I quickly get off the road, and sure enough, he passes me doing 60 miles an hour. Bear in mind, I was doing 60, and if I would have hit him head on, we both would have been dead. So what do you do if you find yourself in similar circumstances? Remain calm, keep control of your vehicle, try to avoid the situation as best as you can, get out of the way, because panicking does you no favors whatsoever. If you panic, then you're as good as dead. Try to remain calm, get on the horn with 911, because they're never there when you need them. This is only satire. I was a police officer and a sheriff's deputy after all. So I understand the difficulties of the job, and I know that cops cannot be everywhere at one time.